Hello, Mr. Platypus here. I got some Jetty's friends for you. Say hello to the little guys. Say hello. You're on camera. See? Say hello. Let's put one up here. Put one up here. Okay, no, I don't want to. Ooh, that tickles. Can't do that. Come on. Alright, alright. Let's get up there. Okay, no, it doesn't. Come on. Okay. Okay. Oops, he's going back there. Oh, in the hood. Okay, want to go in the hood? Okay, go in the hood. Okay. Here's the other one. Hello. Say hello. Go to the camera. There you go. See? He's pretty cute. He's a cute guy. Okay, you want to go in the hood. Okay, go. That one wants to go into the hood. Okay, let's put this one down. Okay. You want to come out of the hood? Oops. There we go. Okay, he's out of the hood. There we go. Here's the other one. Go close to the camera. Okay, it's enough. Okay. Now we got both of them here. Okay. There we go. There they are. Cute guys. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Put them down. Okay. So, Mr. Palapa saying goodbye. That's all for now.